So I think we're all familiar with a Yeti cooler. Pretty popular on the Texas coast because they do hold ice. I think that all of us are concerned about getting them stolen. You know, I had mine locked in the truck with this, what's available. Had it run through the eyes right here on the corner of the door, and they unlocked the lock and took both my coolers. Since then, I've been chaining them in. Other problem with this type of lock is you can't open the lid. The cooler's almost not usable while you have it in. What I've made is a lock here, and there's some out there that are like this. This one is heavy duty. It's 1/4 inch stainless steel. It slides right in the side of the Yeti, right here. Allowing you to put a lock in it and lock it in your truck. We've got quite a few of them made. If you're interested in one, let me know. Also looking for a distributor to try to push some of these out. Thanks for watching.